This is El Conquistador Resort in Puerto Rico. We have a marina room, which is one at the bottom, ocean view. Today is June 15, 2025. Conquistador Resort I believe it's probably the nicest resort on the island. I suppose maybe after the Ritz-Carlton, which by all means is really inaccessible for regular families. The night here at the Conquistador is about $350 to $400 for a king room with ocean view. You will have to pay around $2,000 in Dorado Beach to afford that. But these rooms here are, all of them have ocean view. It has a very nice location on the east side of the island. The views are really breathtaking.
There's a water park.
There's a water park, and we're gonna have this room that we have is far away from the elevators, but it does have a nice view, nice balcony with 2 chairs. And depending on where you want to be, if you want to be near the action, this is right next to the water park. It's a very nice water park, only accessible to people that are staying in the resort, which is nice. It never gets super crowded, and you're right there on the water park. The rest of the facilities on the resort, you will have to take a funicular to take you there, which is fun, but it takes a little bit of time. This is El Conquistador Resort in Fajardo, Puerto Rico.